Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to learn how to add table of content to Microsoft Word. In this document we have different sections like section 1, 2, and within that we have different parts, part 1 to 3. In the left side we have navigation. So section I will add as heading 1 and parts I will add as heading 2. So section 2 also I need to change to heading 1 and part 2 again as heading 2 and part 3 as heading 2. So those changes you can see into this navigation. Alright. Now I'm going to insert one blank page before this. So go to the insert, add blank page. Now in this blank page I'm going to add table of content. So go to reference, then table of content, and here I have different options. Now we can see the table of content here. Now this way we can easily navigate to different part of this document. And if you wanted to update this table of content, only the page numbers or full table that you can do using these two options. Thank you for watching.